Hey internet, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, I have a Zenpop box unboxing video, except it's going to be a little bit different this time. I'm actually going to be unboxing two boxes just because I've been a little bit lagging behind in my video uploads. Lots of different reasons. Mostly I've just got a lot going on at the moment, renovations, etc. So I just haven't really had time to sit down and edit videos. So first you're going to see footage of me unboxing the April box, which I did a couple weeks ago, and then after that we'll come back to this video where I'm unboxing the May box. Today I have April's Zenpop box, and I'm very excited for this because Sakura, I kind of already knew because I saw the email, so maybe I'm cheating a little bit, but I'm really excited just looking at this, all the cool stuff that's going to be in this box. So let's get right into it. We've got pen, which a sailor pen. Ooh, I've seen these come up on jet pens, but I hadn't actually purchased any, so I have no idea if they're any good. And then we have a regular pencil, which I don't usually sharpen, so I'll just put that aside. And then washi tape, Sakura washi tape. I mean, what always amazes me is that I have quite a lot of washi tape that is Sakura themed, and they all look different. So I'm like, how is that possible that they all look different, but they're all kind of based off the exact same concept, which is just Sakura. Okay, there we go. Can you guys see? Focus. Good timing with my nails, I guess, because they kind of match. But there's some beautiful, actually it's, oh yeah, it is Sakura. I was gonna say it's not really Sakura, but yeah, no, it is. This one is. Some of them don't look totally like Sakura, just like regular flowers, but there you have it. Yep, and the lighting's gonna keep changing because it's the afternoon right now, so the sun is setting and it's cloudy, so the sun goes in and out. This is beautiful. I know it's a Sakura eraser, but it just looks really nice. And I'm like, how could you use this? I don't think I could ever bring myself to use this. It's so nice. Such a beautiful decorative eraser. Okay, what is this? I think this is a stamp. I just kind of sliced the edges where there was sticky tape, and yeah, it's a stamp. Okay, I'll try this stamp featuring Luna when I try the pen at the end of the video, but I think it's basically going to be looking a bit like this. Kirei, which is just pretty in Japanese. And then, oh, look at this. It's an adorable dog set. Sakura Inu, Shiba Inu. It's a letter set. Let's open this up so we can have a little bit of a closer look. Constantly getting all these little letter sets, so I just wonder if like sending letters or little notes is a very common thing in Japan. But these are your envelopes. And then this, ooh, okay, this is the actual paper you write on, but I don't know if you can tell. The dog and this flower are like 3D-ish. It's like another layer of paper stuck on it. So yeah, you can see. There you go. It's a little more obvious. So it's kind of like they're coming out at you, and that's with all the paper, which is so cool. I don't think I've seen that before. And I think that's it. Oh yeah, here's just like a backing paper, and this is just cardboard to keep it straight. And then I think this is another, oh, I was like, this is another letter set. Ta-da! It's a card. So you've got Mount Fuji with the sakura blossoms, and then here's like a 3D version of it. It's so cool. This is the sort of postcard that I would have loved to mail when I was visiting Mount Fuji, although everyone I care about that I would send a letter to has either come with me or they wouldn't really care, so I guess I could just keep this for myself, but it's so nice. And then this, I think, has like strips of paper. Yeah. I have something really similar where it's kind of like you could write affirmations or little notes or anything, but it's basically like note paper. And you've got this initial design, then you've got this design. And yeah, I think those are the two main designs you can have on here. And oh, no, there's another pen. Awesome, I'll put that aside. And then we have the best combination, Sakura with Neko, cats. Have them together, and it's on clear paper. This is so cute. I'm going to put this aside and get some paper so we can test these out. Okay, so we have 2 pens and this stamp. I thought I'd try this stamp out first. I think I'm just gonna do it this way. That's so cute. Okay, you're gonna have to ignore my cat meowing in the background. But I love that it has that shade of sakura behind it. Okay, now I'm gonna try this first pen, 0.38. It is, I can barely read it, a Uniball 1.38. Oh, okay, it's like a gel pen, standard gel pen, but it's very comfortable to use, and pink. And then there's this Nyx pen, which I think is a jewel tip. You've got Sailor Shikiori. So one side's brush and one side is fine. So, oh, how nice is this color? It's very soft. It's a great color, really great for like backgrounds of titles. And then this side is, sorry, I just realized my light went out. That is, oh, it's so faint, I'm not sure you can actually see it. I think you can, but it looks really, really faint. Sometimes I find that for these, this part is usually a little darker, so you can write on top of it, but I think if I was to write on top of it, you could barely see the writing. So that's okay though, like sometimes I don't mind that. Sometimes it's nice if it's a little darker, but I do appreciate it being the same color, so you can kind of have a choice in how you want to use it. But I actually really love the color hue on this. I wonder if all of them are going to be like that, because you can buy these in kits, and I really love how soft these colors are, whereas usually with the Tombow you have to be very careful with which ones you buy and get the ones specifically that are very light so they work as a good background to titles, which is mostly where I use them now. But yeah, that is everything in April's Zenpop box, probably one of my favorite boxes so far. And now let's get on to unboxing the May box. So Usagi Garden, cute, it's like rabbit garden. And I'll put this aside so I know what I'm unboxing. Like this. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, it makes me wish I had spring right now. It is autumn, but it feels really cold right now in Australia. So, well, Melbourne specifically. So I'm just missing warmer weather. So these are little post-it notes, as you can see, but you can stand them up on your desk, kind of like in a decorative way as well. Very cute. Then we've got some Usagi envelopes. Next is this really cute notebook. I really, really love Sumikugarashi. It just, you guys know the characters are one of my most favorites, and this is, I seriously, the most adorable note paper. So I think there's 4 different designs. You've got this one, and then this one, and finally this one. Oh, I quite like this one. It's a little unusual. I think this one might be my favorite. And then probably this one, because it's very functional. Next up, we have some loose note paper. Just open this up to have a look. I think it's just a bunch of different designs for note paper, which I could have really used this week. I had to write a bunch of personal notes, and I couldn't find cute paper around this size because everything I had was like little post-it note sizes. But that's okay. So we've got this design, and then this one, and then this one, and then lastly this one. There's quite a few designs in here. Ooh, I like this one. I think this is my favorite. And then just behind it there's like lined paper. Cool. And then we have a clear file, which I've got a couple of these now which I use to store different types of stickers. I think actually this pairs really nicely with this. So I guess if you write notes, you can just file them away here if you need to put 3 different sections in. If you have 3 different sections, yeah. I think these go well together. They actually have the same saying. Fushigi na usagi no oni wa. My grammar tends to be, I don't have the best Japanese grammar. That's like my weakness, but it's something around like, I don't know, rabbit celebrate, the mystery of a rabbit celebration or something like that. Don't quote me on that. If you guys know Japanese, then yeah, you probably are like, oh, that's totally wrong, but those are what those words kind of mean. And then we've got some stickers. Oh, this is really cute. I like this one more because I'd probably use this one because you guys know I prefer flat stickers. These are like gems. They're like little flowers, clear, but they do, they are 3D. They are very beautiful. I wish they had this in flat. That would be perfect. And then we have clip. Oh, I got one like this, but in a star form, and I use it to like clip chip bags. So this will just go into my pile of clips. And then lastly, we have a pen, and then we have a washi tape, which I'm just gonna try opening it on camera now so I can show you guys the design. Okay, oh, it's a floral, okay. There you go, can you see? This would have been perfect for the month of April in Hobonichi, but the month of April is pretty much over now. We're about to go into May, which is like, I don't know, a sage green, a moss green color in the Hobonichi cousin. But this would have been really nice. I try to get washi that kind of matches the color theme. And then we have a pen, which is it's a pencil, sorry. Okay, I probably won't try this out. You guys know what pencils are like. 0.5. It says Energized pencil from, don't really know if there's a specific brand, Mindwave. Maybe not. Either way, just standard pencil, and it's quite comfortable because of the grip. So yeah, that is everything in April's and May's Zenpop. I hope you guys enjoyed the double unboxing. Sorry if it was like too much content in one go, but I just wanted to play a little bit of catch up. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.